Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of headphones. Let's go. So here they are. Zealot B19 wireless headphones. So place you right here, and so just open that, and here they are. So of course there's a manual, and it has buttons. Amazing, it has buttons. So first of all, I'm going to show you what it does. So here, this is the button side, and I have a display. And this is, I think, the button for calls, and this is the button for, like, the power button on and off. And let me turn the brightness on. There. So M, I think, stands for mode. This is, I think, previous song. No, this is next song. This is previous song. This is power. This is volume up button, volume down button. Wait, no, this is play pause, play/pause. This is previous song. This is next song. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so I'm gonna open my phone. There we go, and turn on Bluetooth. And it's B19. Okay, I'm gonna wear the headphones, and as you can see, there's like 70% battery on the headphones. So just press done, and let's listen to some music. Next, 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 next. Okay, let's listen to this. Okay, it's pretty good for audio, so let's see what else it can do. So I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth. There. And let's see what happens if we change the mode. So gonna press on this button, hold it. Oh, that's radio. Next. Oh, okay, so there's two modes. Let's see. Where's the manual? Oh no. So in here, in this like plastic box, came this, which is audio for audio, like this with these two ends for audio, and this is the charging cable. And that's the brand name. So I think that's it to say about this. Apart from it can adjust, obviously, like every normal headphones, like this, like that. Then just press it back, and obviously on the other side, normally, anyways. So that was basically it for this unboxing, and then they close like that, and there we go. That was the Zealot B19 wireless headphones. Let's do the outro. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm going now, so yeah, bye guys, see you next video.